for an easy way to plan tours and activities while staying in central Amsterdam. At the White Tulip Hostel Amsterdam, we list a tour and travel desk among our guest facilities. Our team can help you get oriented, think through practical routes and choose activities that match your time, interests and budget. Tell us whether you want museums, canals, nightlife, neighborhood walks or a relaxed day close to the hostel. We can share local guidance and help you build a sensible itinerary from our central Warmoesstraat location, close to Amsterdam Central Station and many city center highlights. Tour schedules, prices, and ticket availability can change, so always confirm current details with reception and the official organizer. For busy attractions, advanced booking may still be the smartest option. Want more practical tips for your Amsterdam stay? Click the link in the description to read the full guide and contact our team for the latest information. We look forward to helping you make the most of your time in Amsterdam.